Hey guys, super excited about this one, the VIVO X Fold. I bought this from GizTop in China. I wasn't in China, I bought it. It's been shipped from China. $1,800. Now before we get into specs, let's have a look at the packaging. Now, I think this feels really nice. That's sort of like a leathery effect. And a phone costing this much, it needs to have the wow factor throughout. And yeah, the packaging is a wow factor. 12 gig of RAM, 256 gigabytes of internal storage for this this one. VIVO X Fold Zeiss. Right, ready, let's have a look. Wow, there we go. X Fold. Okay, look, if we look at the bottom, there's like a drawer there. It's got like a velvet sort of material tag. Should we pull the drawer out first? Oh wow. Let's push that at the top. Does it come out completely? No, it doesn't. There's a little bit of whatever that is, polystyrene. Oh wow, like the same sort of effect. This is sort of, I think, paper or card, but it's got a sort of rubbery texture. Let's start here, shall we? Charger. Supports 66 watt wired charger. Obviously it's not a UK adapter, so you will need an adapter. Oh, wow. 2 Type-C connectors on there. That's a first. I've not seen that before in a phone. When you get a phone anyway, that's good. Do you get 2 Type-C cables? Oh wow, you get earphones. Look at that. Jermaine Smith from Concept Creator would... Oh, hold on a minute. Is it Type-C though? Sorry Jermaine, it might be Type-C. I imagine it's... Oh, I don't want to get them out. Yeah, sorry Jermaine, it's Type-C, it's not a 3.5mm headphone jack. But still, including them, Type-C is cable, so it should please him a little bit. And what we got here, let's have a look what we got. X Fold card, what does this mean? No idea what that is. SIM tray ejector tool, and looks like a manual there, guys. Okay, that looks really nice though, whatever it's for. And this, yeah, so this is your Type-C charging lead. Okay, very, very presentable. That makes the value a little bit more palatable, a little bit more acceptable. Now let's have a look at this beauty. Pick it out. So there's nothing else there. Let's double check. It's got a nice little velvet case. Beautiful case. Or beautiful packaging, must I say. Really nice. This is it. See the camera housing there, look. Ooh, wow. What a beauty. Well, that's got that sort of like textured sort of material. It's like a leather, some sort of leather material. Whether it's real leather or not, I'm not entirely sure just yet. This is the first time I've put my hands on this smartphone Fold, X Fold. Wow. Now that, guys, is fantastic. The width is great. I didn't like the Z Fold 3 from Samsung because I thought it was too narrow. That is perfect. Have a look, closer look at this hinge. Nice satisfying click. Beautiful. Look, Type C, SIM tray, speaker, at the top, speakers at the top there as well. Look at this camera array. It looks excellent. That you'd just think was a normal phone from the top. Oh, beautiful. Let's turn this on straight away. Now I do have some specs. So the inner display is 8.03 inches, E5 LTPO AMOLED display. Yeah, AMOLED display, and then on this one, the front display, 6.53 inch E5 AMOLED display. Look at that. Here we go. We are in. So this is a Chinese version, remember, but there is English support. So if you are in the UK, this is what the experience you're going to expect to get. Okay. Right, you ready for the opening? What's the transition like from this screen to the fold-out screen? Superb. There we go, lot. And I'm trying to look for a crease. It's really difficult to see one. You can slightly feel the sort of indentation in there. And let's fold it back. Wow, guys, the form factor on this is superb. Loving it. I'm really, really loving it. So what we've got here, we'll connect to some Wi-Fi in a moment. Let's have a look at the display. Auto lock after a couple of minutes. There we go. You can lock the orientation, screen refresh. What do we get? We get 120 Hertz. That's incredible. I didn't see that in the spec sheet. 120 Hertz. Superb. There we go. Cool. And again. What about from sleep? Oh. Oh. Got to get the positioning right. Okay, so I think when you press that, you got to wait a couple of seconds. Okay. That is really fast though. Straight away, superb. So what about when you like that? Oh yeah, superb. It switches straight to the front screen as well. Superb performance. So Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 powering this device, the Adreno 730 GPU, 66 wide charging, 4600 mAh battery in this beautiful device. So in a bit more detail, 50 megapixel wide main sensor, laser autofocus, OIS. We also have an 8 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5 times optical zoom. We also have a 12 megapixel telephoto, 2 times optical zoom, and we have a 48 megapixel ultra wide as well. What a phone, packed with all that camera gear on a folding device as well. I'm looking forward to really testing that in my next video. I'll go out after this video actually and do some camera tests, video and pictures. Really looking forward to that. And 16 megapixel there on the front. I'm assuming as well that's going to be 16 megapixel on the front as well. So if you're in the UK and you've bought this or you're thinking about buying it, they do have Play Store installed on here. Just need to go ahead and sign in. And there we go, look, we have access to all the normal Google Play stuff. And I will be testing PUBG, Call of Duty, Asphalt 9, all that normal sort of stuff on this device as well. I'll be popping my SIM card in here. Yeah, can't really wait to get to grips and start using this properly. Really excited. Okay, so speaker test. royalty-free music. Speakers on this side. If we rotate it that way, fold it up, turn it up. Excellent, guys, excellent. Firing from both sides. The sound quality is brilliant, really impressed. Fantastic. So I just took some photos and that with the front camera. Really impressed with the quality there. The camera system is looking great. Nice natural colours, looking very accurate. Same with portrait. There's a slight sort of error there in terms of like the edge detection, but I really like the quality of that. I think it's excellent. Skin tone is nice. 1080p 30 on the front there. Then that video is 1080p using the front camera there. Same hardware, I believe it is anyway. Okay, so this is 1080p 30 front video. This is using the camera folded out, so the screen is fully folded out. I don't think there's any stabilization with this, but I will do a proper full test in one of my next videos for this. Now again, same 1080p 30, but now the phone is folded and I'm using the camera on the front. I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same hardware, camera hardware anyway. Yeah, and then I tested video, pictures on the rear. It's looking like a really good camera system. That is 5x zoom as well, 5x optical. And then I used, and then I did 4K 60 in ultra-wide and 4K 60 in normal as well. And stabilization is looking very good. But I'm going to do, or go out in a bit and do a proper camera test on this. Okay, so this is a quick video test. We're shooting at 4K 60 on the VIVO X Fold, and the buttery smooth. You can tell there's stabilization in here. Can we go 2x? Yes, we can. Oh, let's go to, I believe it's 2x optical zoom. So I believe we're at that now. But anything above that, then it goes to digital. We're at 5.2 zoom now. Let's go right back. Can we go into ultra wide? No, we can't. So this is ultra wide, we're at 4K 60, so it still keeps the same resolution and frame rate. And we're at ultra wide now. That's looking good. This is my unboxing, guys. The VIVO X Fold. Incredible. I love that it's got that nice form factor, the width, not too narrow like the Z Fold. Unfortunately, I haven't tried the Huawei, is it the Mate X2? I believe that's similar sort of form factor, but this is the first one I've held like this. Superb, love that fingerprint sensor. Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, 12 gigs of RAM in this. I bought it from Giztop. Everything seems to be working fine in the UK as well. Play Store is there, YouTube is there. Great. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Any questions, pop them down below. What sort of content do you want to see on this? Because I'm going to absolutely hammer the content over the next few days. Cheers. Thanks for watching. See you soon.